Michiel Le Roux loses $110 million from investment in Capitec Bank. After seeing his stake in Capitec Bank surge above $1.25 billion earlier this month, South African billionaire Michiel Le Roux, co-founder of Capitec Bank, has now suffered a significant decline in his fortune, driven by the recent decline in the share price of his stake in the retail bank. According to data tracked by Billionaires Africa, Le Roux has experienced a significant decline of $2.07 billion, $110.7 million in the market value of his 11.39% stake in Capitec Bank, driven by recent profit-booking activities among investors on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Capitec Bank, co-founded by Le Roux alongside Jannie Mouton and Riaan Stassen, has solidified its standing over the past 2 decades, amassing a substantial customer base. With a network of over 850 branches and 7,400 ATMs across South Africa, the bank has earned a reputation as one of the world's top retail banking brands. Le Roux holds an 11.39% stake in Capitec Bank. This stake, which translates to a total of 13,190,043 ordinary shares in the group, makes him one of the richest men on the continent. In recent times, Capitec Bank's shares on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange have experienced a notable decline, falling by 8.83% in the past 18 days from R$1,781.20 to $95.129 on August 10 to R$1,624.87.299 at the time of writing. As a result of the single-digit decline in Capitec Bank shares, Le Roux' stake in the leading bank has fallen from R$23.49 billion, $1.25 billion to R$21.42 billion, $1.14 billion as of the time of drafting this report. Breaking news in the world of finance, South African billionaire Michiel Le Roux, renowned co-founder of Capitec Bank, finds his fortunes fluctuating. After a recent surge above $1.25 billion, his stake faced a significant downturn, witnessing a market value drop of R$2.07 billion, $110.7 million. This roller coaster ride was driven by profit-booking activities on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange. Capitec Bank, the brainchild of Le Roux, Jannie Mouton, and Riaan Stassen, has solidified its reputation as a global retail banking brand, boasting an impressive network of 850 branches and 7,400 ATMs throughout South Africa. While Michiel Le Roux holds an 11.39% stake in the bank, translating to a remarkable 13,190,043 ordinary shares, recent fluctuations in Capitec Bank's shares on the Johannesburg Stock Exchange have caused a notable 8.83% decline in just 18 days, impacting Le Roux' stake value. The bank's shares dropped from R$1,781.20 to $95.129 on August 10 to R$1,624.87.299 at present. Consequently, the once $1.25 billion stake has now transitioned to a value of R$21.42 billion, $1.14 billion. This financial twist places Michiel Le Roux among the most captivating stories in the realm of finance. Stay tuned for more updates as the financial landscape continues to shift.